Okay, in this lesson we are going to build the application like this, so I'm going to show you in this way. So we have the application that what you want to say to your team. So we have two teams, Manchester United and Manchester City. I said that, okay, for example, my Man U will win forever. Even it's false or it's true, it doesn't matter. It's just for an example, okay? And when I hit the button, hit the Manchester United button, it will display the image, and then your word will be here. Man U will win forever, okay? What if I change to Manchester City? Will never lose. Okay, I hit Manchester City, it will change to another image, and then it will appear the words that I type on the top of this. So this is the application that we are going to build. Go to File, New, and go to Project. Create the app. Hit Next. Put the name. Let's say MyTeam. Organize identifier com.gt or com.yourname. And then SwiftUI app, Swift core data, though we don't have to check this out. Just go to the next and then hit create. Oh dear, okay, it's worked well, but I don't like the iPod Touch 7. I want to change to 12 Pro. Now let's do the application. So first of all, you have to prepare images first. So I have 3 images. The first one is the questions, the question sign. What do we need to prepare? We have to prepare the image like the question sign like this, so you can get any images from the website. What else we have to prepare? We have to prepare the image like this. This is the second image. This is the third image that we have to prepare. But actually the image, it has not been clipped into the circle like this earlier. It's gonna be the square image normally. So we're gonna do something in the coding to clip it like a circle later. So the image you have to prepare, it can be square, okay? So when you get 3 images, what we're gonna do in the application, so we go to the asset, and then we right click, we're gonna create the image set. The first one will be the questions, and second one will be the let's say Man U fan. The third one is the Man City fan. Man City fan. Okay, 3 images. Let's go to the question and drag and drop here. Okay, go to the Finder and click the question here. This is the question. So we add the question to 3x, 2x as well. A Man U fan. The Man U fan. Oh, sorry. So the Man U fan will go here. And the Man City fan. Right, we got 3 images now. Let's go to the code contentview.swift. So at the contentview.swift, what we have to do, we need 2 buttons, right? We need 2 buttons. We need 1 text field. Okay, so what we have to add, we add 2 buttons. And we change the first one to be Manchester United. The second one will be Manchester City. Okay, we have 2 buttons. So actually 2 buttons, if you don't put into the V stack, you may come up with 2 views. Like this, you may come up with 2 views. So put them into the V stack. So you put the V stack like this is fine. So these 2 buttons, it will place into a vertical, but actually we want to add the text field more. So the text field will be okay, say something to your team, and then the text will be string message. So under the struct, we gonna write state, and then on private var as a type of string. Okay. Now we have 3 components here. Better to add padding. Right, we have 2 buttons, 1 text field, and then when we type anything here, it will display on the top. So we should have text on the top. Okay. The text will be a display text. Let's try with the button first. So when we hit the Manchester United button, it should display something. It should display on the top of this. So when we have the action of the button of the Manchester United is the value of the inside of the text field. So inside of the text field is the image display text will be equal message. Okay, the same thing with the Manchester City when we have the action. Okay, let's run the code first. Hi Manchester United. Okay, cool. Hi Manchester City. Okay, good. Now we need the image to be displayed here. So we're gonna prepare the image. The image will be displayed on the top of the text field, so the image will be here. So the image to be displayed, we need to display the image name. At the first thing, the image will be displayed like the question mark first, so we have to just set up the image name first. So the image will be displayed as well. Image name equal. So the first time will be equal questions, because the question is when we run the program, the first one will be display the question first. So the image name will be display the question. What is the question? Go to the asset and see the question here. This is the name of the image. Okay, this is the name of the image called question. So when you write the code here, you can see the question right there. And then when we hit the button, the image will be changed from question to be, if they hit the Manchester City, so they have to be the Manchester City fan. So the variable here has to be changed. The image name will be changed to Man City fan. And if they hit the Manchester United, the image name should be changed to the Man U fan, right? I think it should be okay. Let's try to run the program on emulator. Okay, say something Man U. Manchester United. Wow, okay, good. A Man City. Okay, cool. Now you see that it's still square image, but it appears correctly, so it's fine. Other thing is decoration. So the image, maybe you can decorate with the, okay, I put into the frame, so dot frame with an alignment. The width will be, let's say 250, around 80. Let's say the height is 280 as well. 280, align center. Yes, that's right. And I put 2 dot scale to fit, so I will fit the frame. Scale to fit the frame, and then I will use that dot clip shape to circle. Okay, sound good. Anything else I should do? I think the text should be on the top of the appear, should be bigger than this, so I can add dot font large title. Okay, dot large title. And the foreground color I will change to blue. Dot foreground color blue. Yes, should be fine. Let's run the program. Okay, Man United hit. Whoa, cool. Man City. Cool. Okay. When you see this, the button stack vertically, but if you want to stack horizontally, you can add this one into, okay, button. This is 2 buttons. So 2 buttons are stacked horizontally or vertically. So if you want to add into the vertically, so you can just right click and then embed it into head stack. Okay, that head stack one. We're gonna add this button as well into head stack. So 2 button into the head stacking, right? Okay, try again. Okay, here you can see that this one will be aligned together in horizontally, not vertically. so you can design whatever you like. You can see the document manuals that how you can adjusting on the screen in the document. But at least you can understand the concept of doing the application on the iOS by using the SwiftUI, which is the latest tools at the moment.